Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! For today's easy recipe, I will be cooking Ube Halaya. This is a popular Filipino jam that is made with purple yam. It's a creamy, sweet, and yummy dessert. Guys, if you want to learn how to make this ube jam, please stay tuned and I will show you how I make it. For the ingredients, 1 pack of frozen grated purple yam, 1 can of coconut cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup of grated cheese, few drops of ube purple extract for added colors to the jam, and lastly 2 pieces of pandan leaves. Let's start. I already put the thawed grated purple yam in the blender, then adding the condensed milk, the coconut cream, the evaporated milk, and the white sugar. I apologize for the loud sound. Then using blender, blend all the ingredients. Then transfer all the mixtures in a pan to start cooking. Well blended. Add the 2 pieces of pandan for added flavoring and aroma to the jam. This is the right time to add purple coloring, so I added few drops of purple yam extract. After adding the purple yam extract, prepare your arms to start mixing until the end. After 30 minutes and it's starting to thicken the mixtures, add the grated cheese. This Ube Halaya or Ube Jam, by the way, is the main base in flavored pastries, ice creams, and usually toppings for halo-halo, and also served as a dessert during Christmas, birthdays, and many special occasions in the Philippines. After 40 minutes of mixing, add the room temperature unsalted butter. The butter, by the way, will help make the jam more firm. After 45 minutes of mixing the jam, get a chair and sit while mixing. After 1 hour, Our taster for the week is my nephew, Peter Clark. Hello, Kayami! Hello, friends! Welcome to my channel. With me is my nephew, Peter Pogi.
Yay!
Okay, and the best part, tasting this delicious Yam Jam.
Yeah!
Ube Jam or Ube Halaya.
Oh!
Smells good. Okay. Okay, you want to try, okay?
Yep, I wanna try, Bobby.
Tasting. Tasting.
Tasty!
Okay? Try mo na. Try. Come on. Toast. Like this.
Like this?
Hold this. Hold your.
Cheers!
Cheers. Say masarap.
Masarap!
Alright! He's Filipino now. He's half Filipino.
This looks good. More!
It's not so sweet. It's creamy.
Good!
If you're not going to put cheese, just put 1 teaspoon of salt. Everything will gonna be balanced. It's not too sweet.
Yeah, it's not too sweet and good, right?
Hot.
It's very good. Yeah, this looks good.
You got the camera. What are you saying?
I'm so
You really know how to Tagalog, say Tagalog na,
Tagalog.
You want to say hi to your uncle there in Laguna, San Pedro?
Yes,
Uncle Eric,
Uncle Eric.
say hello, Uncle Eric.
Hello, Uncle Eric.
Tita Alicia.
Tita Risha.
Yes. Hello. Yeah, shout out to my siblings at Erickson, Ate Lisa, and to Townhouse, Indira and Johnny, and of course my nieces and nephew. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, hope you're watching. Hello. Do this, it's really good.
Yeah.
It's creamy. Not too sweet.
Yeah.
See this boy, if it's too sweet, only one taste lang, he don't like it anymore.
Yeah.
He don't like too sweet. And just make a balance, putting cheese, okay?
Yeah. We can get it.
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Say, go. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Please